What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Kicks by back on the video, and today we have a very serious restoration for y'all on a destroyed pair of Air Jordan 13 gray toes. Now, if you look at these, you can tell just by looking at them that they are destroyed. Like, toe box is destroyed. The leather, look at the leather on both of these. The leather is destroyed. Like, whoever wore these really, like, I don't even know what they did to them. Like, I don't know how you destroy it. How you literally tear away the leather to it till it feels like suede. Like, it's literally suede now up there. But we're gonna have to figure out, because we gotta restore these and get these back looking right. There's a whole bunch of yellowing. The bottoms are, I mean, it's just heel drag, but it's crazy because, like, the shoe's not super dirty. It's just really beat. But it is dirty. So we're gonna have to go ahead and clean it, repaint it, restore it. We're gonna have to do just I'm gonna have to work my magic on these. So just get ready. Hope you guys are ready for this, and let's go. Alright, y'all, so before we continue the rest of this restoration, 1, like the video, 2, if you're new, subscribe, and 3, go ahead and follow my Instagram if you haven't already. So let's get back into the video. Alright y'all, so we got the white laid down and it's definitely looking way better. Hold on, let me get the other shoe. This is what the other shoe is looking like. That's what the leather was looking like before. Oh, I'm talking about the leather was ripped apart, but now it's looking all back white, you know. And now what we gotta do is we gotta move on to the gray toe, and then what next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move on to the pods, yellow in the pods, and then we're gonna work on attacking this suede that I have to. And really with the suede, all I have to do is probably wash it, clean it one more time, and then go over with the hard brush and just brush it out, and then we'll be done with the suede. And then I'll probably do the same thing with the tongue because this is all suede too. So let's do it. Alright y'all, so when I was about to start painting and like mixing the paint for the front toe, I noticed that it doesn't really need any painting. Like all it was is dirty, and it's not dirty no more, and it's literally no scuffs, no paint scratches, no nothing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and unclog the hologram up here up top, and then we're gonna move on to the yellowing and then the suede. So let's get the hologram. Alright y'all, what's up? So now, finally, it's been like a few days since I last touched this video, but that's just because there's been like no sun outside, and today it's finally clear and sunny. So we're gonna go ahead and start icing the soles back out. Well, not icing, but whitening, getting rid of this nasty pea yellow look on the soles with 40 volume cream. I think 40 volume cream works best on like these rubber soles, other than in icy soles I would use my other icing, but this definitely works better, and I see like faster results and more stronger results with this. So I'm about to go ahead, apply this, and then I'm gonna go ahead outside and just let them sit in the sun for a few hours today. Alright y'all, so this is going to be the end of this restoration video for these Air Jordan 13 not cherries, sheesh, gold gray toes. And this is the before. Now you seen how he was looking before. He was looking destroyed, but your boy Just Blaze got him back right. So this was the before. Why is my lights not? I gotta get some new lighting, so like at least a lighting right behind my camera, so the front shot is not gonna be all these dark shadows. But this is the before, and now here's the after. You see the dip? Do you see the difference? Just from the white, but the difference is so much better. The red is nice. It's nice, and the color's actually back. It's not like the leather's not the suede isn't browning anymore. It's everything. The gray, the toe is actually gray, not whatever color that is, but these look so much, the pods aren't yellow anymore. Just overall brand new shoe. Not fully brand new, but definitely from a 2 out of 10 condition to at least 8, 9 out of 10 condition. So quick little video. If you like this video, like I'm saying, I'm bringing more restorations, customs, cleanings, all that to the channel, because I just gotta work on finding them. But I started to find some more, so I definitely got some more coming for y'all. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.